taste, touch, and hear. These senses are just interpreting vibrations. The sound of music or voices, it's just vibrations that your brain interprets as language. Colors, they're vibrations that appear as different colors to us. Think about magnets for a second. Imagine you have the same magnetic force around you. The state of your magnetic field, whether it's positive or negative, depends on your thoughts, emotions, and subconscious programming. This magnetic state is what dictates everything happening in your life. And by understanding and controlling the vibrations you send out, you can influence the experiences and situations you attract. This is the essence of the law of attraction and a key to mastering manifestation. When you are in a high vibe state, you can attract happiness, success, more money, and good opportunities like a magnet. When your energy is positive and high, your magnet is aligned with the things you want to attract. On the other hand, when your energy is low, it doesn't matter how hard you work or what secrets you know, you'll end up pushing away what you want. So how do you become a magnet that attracts whatever you desire? It all comes down to mindfulness and awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions. Are you focusing on positive or negative things? Think of yourself as a magnet. What are you pulling toward you? What are your thoughts creating? What are you pushing away? Are you in vibrational harmony with more money or the opposite? Attracting your soulmate or the opposite? Abraham Hicks says that everything is two things: what you want and the absence of what you want. You might want money, but if you are repelling it magnetically, you won't get it. You can always check in with how you feel to determine what you are manifesting. Sometimes we get caught up in the chaos of the day and aren't aware of our thoughts. Just ask yourself, am I in a fear-based state? If so, your subconscious has likely taken over. And trust me, no one wants that. Your habits, thoughts, and emotions are mostly controlled by your subconscious mind. This means your subconscious acts as a magnet, attracting experiences based on these ingrained patterns. Even if you consciously want more money or success, visualization works by influencing your subconscious mind in a way that demagnetizes old negative programming, those limiting beliefs and doubts that have held you back. When you vividly imagine your goals as if they're already achieved, you're realigning your magnetic state with a new set point of attraction. This new set point is in harmony with your desires, making it easier for you to attract the opportunities, people, and circumstances that will help you achieve your goals. By consistently practicing visualization, you effectively reprogram your subconscious mind to focus on what you want, rather than what you fear or lack. This shift changes the energy you emit, drawing positive experiences and outcomes into your life, like a magnet attuned to success and fulfillment. Emotional regulation is another crucial step in mastering the art of manifestation. Maintaining positive emotions helps you sustain a high vibration, which is essential for attracting the experiences and outcomes you desire. It's important to remember that the goal isn't to suppress or ignore your emotions, but rather to channel them in a way that supports your growth and well-being. One powerful way to do this is through the practice of gratitude. Each morning, take a few moments to write down 10 things you're grateful for. This simple yet transformative exercise can help you polish your internal magnet, making it more effective at drawing in what you desire. Gratitude shifts your focus away from what's lacking in your life and instead highlights the abundance and blessings you already possess. This shift in perspective not only boosts your mood but also enhances your magnetic field, aligning it with positive energy and higher vibrations. Remember, your thoughts and emotions are like a continuous broadcast, constantly repelling or attracting things into your life. By consciously understanding and managing this process, you gain greater control over what you manifest. The more you cultivate positive emotions and gratitude, the more you'll notice how effortlessly your desires begin to materialize. This practice of emotional regulation, combined with gratitude, is a powerful tool for creating the life you envision. If you enjoyed this video, please like it below and subscribe for more. Leave a comment saying, "Money loves me, and I am a money magnet." See you in the next video. Here's the affirmation. I always see evidence of blank. No matter what I do, it keeps showing up all around me. You'll fill in the blank with what you want to see evidence of. Let me give you some examples. Asterisk, I always see evidence of money. No matter what I do, it just keeps showing up all around me. Asterisk, I always see evidence of miracles. No matter what I do, they just keep showing up all around me. Asterisk, I always see evidence of amazing opportunities. No matter what I do, they just keep showing up all around me. Asterisk, I always see money and feel abundance around me. Asterisk, I always see evidence of my dream partner. No matter what I do, so much evidence keeps showing up all around me. When you use this exactly as I've described, you'll start seeing evidence within the next 24 hours or less. Before we wrap up the video, I want to remind you that just randomly repeating these words may or may not bring your desires to reality. Another thing to consider is that you have to feel every word coming out of your mouth is true. These affirmations are not just words, they are the ultimate truth that you are attracting into your life. Don't just mumble words like I am rich or I am wealthy. The core of repeating the affirmation is to truly feel those words and align your emotions with the energy of the universe. If you are affirming, I am rich, truly feel that you are rich. Visualize it, believe it, and let that feeling permeate every part of your being. Imagine the excitement and joy you'd feel if your affirmation was already your reality. That's the energy you need to tap into. The more you can embody this feeling, the more powerfully you'll attract your desires. So, take your time, focus on your words, and let the emotion behind them guide you. This alignment between your thoughts, feelings, and the universe is what will truly bring your affirmations to life. Focus on the words. You can even start by choosing a music track that puts you in an amazing mood. You can record your affirmation with some background music and play it for 10 to 20 minutes per session. The key is to be completely focused on it and think about it while you listen. Just letting it play in the background or while you sleep won't have any effect. You must be focused. Focus is what directs energy, not just words. So don't do this while playing games, driving, or doing anything else. Your conscious mind needs to be fully engaged in what you're saying. Now repeat after me. I always see evidence of your goal. No matter what I do, it just keeps showing up all around me. This affirmation is more than just words. It's a powerful declaration that aligns your mind with the reality you wish to create. Keep believing in it and keep repeating it daily. But remember, it's not just about saying the words. You need to be on the lookout for this evidence and fully expect it to appear in your life. Understand that evidence doesn't necessarily mean your entire manifestation will materialize all at once. Instead, it might start as small signs that you're on the right path. For example, if you're manifesting money, you might find a few coins on the ground, receive an unexpected refund, or hear about a new job opportunity that aligns perfectly with your goals. These are all indications that your manifestation is beginning to take shape. So take the necessary actions toward your goal, whether that's applying for a job, networking, or simply being open to new possibilities, and trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. Stay vigilant, look for the evidence of your progress, and maintain unwavering faith that you deserve the best. When you combine belief with action, you create a powerful synergy that propels you toward your dreams, allowing the universe to handle the rest. If your affirmation or goal aligns closely with your beliefs or self-image, you could see results in as little as 3 days, sometimes up to 10 days. Even if you see results quickly, keep going for 30 to 35 days to solidify your manifestation. I've never had to wait more than 10 days for a result using this method. This affirmation experiment works. I've seen it help hundreds, even thousands of people. Give it a try and see how it goes for you. If you enjoy these types of experiments, make sure to give this video a thumbs up.